Lawn care and landscaping professionals need daily access to their equipment to do their jobs. This often leads to key pieces of equipment being exposed to thieves. With an increasing number of thefts taking place, vital landscaping machinery like multi-terrain trailers, skid steer loaders, mowers, and excavators need protection 24/7. For an extra layer of protection and added security for trucks, trailers, and other landscaping equipment, live GPS trackers are the perfect solution for lawn care companies. GPS trackers are low cost, easy to install, require no maintenance, and can be fixed to any landscaping equipment. These mini GPS trackers can even alert you immediately should an asset be moved from its location unexpectedly. So if there's unauthorized removal of landscaping equipment any time of day, the real-time GPS tracker can send you an instant alert to your cell phone of where the machinery is. For landscape company owners, GPS tracking devices can give you a complete picture of where your valuable assets are at any time. Want to learn more about GPS trackers for landscaping companies? See the link in the description for more information.